This is Tim here from Your Six Studios. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to pair and connect your Red Dragon mouse and keyboard to your Windows PC. Now the first thing you want to do is go to the back of your keyboard, and there's going to be a little dongle right here that plugs into your keyboard, plugged into your computer. And this is kind of what it looks like on my other mouse. So just plug this anywhere in an open USB slot, and then you should be good to go. Now if you ever want to store it, you can store it in the mouse. Just flip over the mouse and just place it right here. And you don't really need it because this is a Bluetooth mouse as well. So you don't need the dongle if you don't want it. So if you look at the mouse now, there's the open slot right here. You can just store it right there. Now go to your keyboard, and there should be a power button right here. So make sure it's turned on. And then if you look at the keys here, you have the F and key down here. And then we have our different Bluetooth selections down here. And then here's our 2.4 and our USB. So depending on our connection method, we want to make sure we press that. So if we want to have Bluetooth 1, 2, or 3, or 4, or whatever, we want to hold down the FN key and then tap that. So this would be how we activate Bluetooth mode. So just press those down, and you can see it's blinking a certain color light. Okay, so it's like crayon or something light blue. So let me bring this a little bit further back, and then we can go to F and key, Bluetooth number 2. And now it's a little bit lighter, it's like a pink. And then Bluetooth number 3. And then finally the 2.4. So if you're using the dongle, press the 2.4 and the F and key. And now this one's like orange or green. And then you can press F and key and it'll stop. So this is the one I'm using. That's where I'll stop. And as soon as I do this, it's going to connect up automatically. I won't have to go into the Bluetooth settings. Now if we are using the USB, press F and key and number 5. And that should connect up. And the USB to charge it or connect it is located right here. So I'm just going to make sure I'm in Bluetooth number 4, or just F and key number 4. Then press F and key and it should apply the setting. Now if we go on over the mouse, here on the back here, we want to make sure we're in the 2.4 setting right here for using the dongle. The dongle is going to give you the lowest amount of input lag, so make sure you have it connected there. Then if we do want to use the Bluetooth mode, we have the option right there. So if we go on over to our computer settings now, and if we're trying to connect that, we can just zoom in here. So you're going to have to use your old mouse and keyboard right now. Going down to settings, click this, go to Bluetooth devices, go to add device right here, Bluetooth, and then go to show all devices. Then you're going to have to get your keyboard into that Bluetooth pairing mode. So it's F and key and 1, 2, or 3. You can have 3 Bluetooth devices connected at the same time. So F and key number 1. And just make sure it's blinking that color. We're in the Bluetooth pairing mode. I think it might have popped up. I have some unknown devices, so I might have to select one of those and just see. So let's select this one, see if it's connecting. And then I can try this one too down here if it's not going to connect on the first one. So just go and just try connecting with Bluetooth, unknown device. So sometimes that happens. We can just try it one more time and just see if it connects and discovers the device. Just make sure it's in the Bluetooth pairing mode. And if it doesn't connect with Bluetooth number 1, you can try Bluetooth number 2. And go to Bluetooth number 2, and something just popped up. Here's another one, and here's another one. And here's another one. So we can just try connecting to those unknown devices now. And just seeing if our keyboard, why is there like 10 of them popping up now? So hopefully this video did indeed help you out.